Okay, it's a little windy here. Hopefully you can hear me. We're trying to take two of baling with this. Hopefully you can see what I'm looking at here. I had a friend work on the wire grippers, kind of touched them up with some paint. That's where I was losing some ties, but after some adjustment, getting them welded on, they seem to be tying pretty decent. You can kind of see a twist in there. And we'll see how it goes here. I have faith running the video camera. It's October, it's kind of some second cutting, light stuff. It's pretty dry, so this baler ought to handle it a little better. It needs to run a while, pretty tight, but we'll see how she goes. Okay, we finally got done here. It didn't do too bad. Had a couple of kind of double bales where the twist would kind of hit each other, or kind of tie two bales together. Hey there. Makes real nice bales. I found some more gears for the bale measuring wheel. That's right in there. There's 2 gears. They made about 6 different gears, and actually I found all of them. Currently it's making about 32-inch bales. I thought I put the gears in to make 34, but oh well. But there's what she did.